right, let's take a look at this here. This is a chess piece pawn that you will create. First, we're going to drag out a cylinder. And if you look at it, it says scale to a height of 3 millimeters. So the center white block is what we want to click on to determine height. I chose the wrong block. So I just go back and then I click on that center white square and change the height to 3 millimeters. Okay. It says drag a work plane to the top of the cylinder. So press W and your cursor will turn into a work plane. Put that on top of the cylinder. Next instruction, drag a cone shape to the top of the cylinder. The new shape will land on the cylinder you just created. Scale shape shorter to the height of 11. So I click on that white square again and I change it to 11. Now it says drag a sphere shape to the work plane. All right, it's not centering for me. It's not working for me. So I'm going to try something different. If you see, the work plane is kind of slanted. So I'm going to try something different. I'm going to follow the instructions. First, 18 and 18. Diameter of 18 millimeters. But because it's kind of awkwardly slanted, I'm going to go back. Yep, click off of that slanted work plane. Go back. Drag it out. Use that view cube to kind of move around, get the best angle situation. It's still slanted. What I'm gonna do is click off it and then use the arrow keys to try to make it precise. Yep, use the arrow keys to move it right inside that area. And of course the view cube. All right, looks like it's in there. So now I'm going to change the diameter to 18. So I'm going to click on those side white cubes, change to 18, and change the height to 5. Drag out another cone. So what I'm going to do is I'll put it nearby, and then I use the arrow keys to fit it in to the ghost shape. All right, and I'm changing the dimensions to 14 for the diameter of the flat circle on the bottom of that cone, and the height to 28. Move the cone to the target area. I'm using the arrow keys. Drag another cone to the target area. Scale it to 12 in diameter. Diameter for the flat circle on the bottom of the cone. Okay. And height of 19. Now rotate 180 degrees. You can use that curved arrow on top to just twist it. Or you can just click on that number and make it 180 and it'll flip it. All right. Use the black cone to raise it up and use the arrow keys to fit it in that highlighted area. All right, drag the work plane on top of the cone. So hit W and click on top of the cone. Then drag a sphere to the work plane, okay? Scale the diameter to 8 by 8 by 8. So click on the white squares and change that height, width, and length to 8 on all sides. Okay. Next, drag a work plane to the original location. So I click W and click on the original work plane. Highlight all shapes. So I click and drag, highlight all shapes, and I click the align tool. It says align it to the center on both the front and side, and then group it. And there you have it.